get used to late nights dancing my place. I could get used to
Hindi ako makastand street.
Caprice, your place. I could get used to be fighting just for the hell of it, and you putting up with it, 'cause you let me bends. Late nights.
안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. 사비 niyo, we are here. Gonna try a new restaurant today. It's called Honggojip. And para siyang yakiniku like dito sa Hongdae or Yeonnam. I'm so excited. This was recommended to me by a good friend, si Justin Hangguk. Kagabi super sakit yung tiyan ko. Ngayon medyo masakit pa rin. Hindi ko alam why. So, kain na muna tayo. Kasi nagpa-fluctuate na talaga yung weather. Minsan 4 degrees, minsan 9, tapos minsan 17. So, hindi ko maintindihan. But I love the weather. Sobrang saya ng gantong weather. Sana forever, ganun. And kinakabahan ako sa winter. So, buti na lang yung apartment natin may heater. Grabe yung unang dating natin dito. Green na green pa yan. Ngayon nag-yellow na sila. Chinayaw. O, diba? Sobrang vibe dito. Walang work today, guys. Saturday. Ay, ang ganda. Nag-live ako sa broadcast channel ko a bit. Yun nga, kinamento ko na super sakit nung tiyan ko kagabi. As in, namimilipit ako, guys. As in, kung nasa Pilipinas na ako, nagpadala na ako sa emergency, ganong level. Pero dahil nandito ako, natitiis naman pala siya. Pero wag niyo akong tulhara. As in, hindi ako makastand straight sa sobrang sakit. Ang sakit nung ano ko, tiyan ko, sobra. Ang sakit talaga eh. Nagawa pang mag-vlog yung ante. Sakit talaga. Saan natin ito? Paano ba ito? Ay, microwave. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Gawa pa mag-vlog ulit ha. I think it's because ang ano talaga ang pangit ng eating habits ko since I went here, lagi lang ako once kumakain kasi nga nakakahinayang na minimum 2 yung order. Lagi ako nasa labas kasi nga may work ganyan. So hindi ko natatimingan and yung pagod. Anyway, ganun talaga. Normal ang pagod. Wala pa to guys. Wala pa to. So, we are gonna eat here today. This is like yakiniku like siya ng Korea. It's called Honggojip. O, diba? Fit check! Meron silang sukiyaki. Oh my god. Pero meron din mga beef. Para talaga siyang yakiniku like. Okay, sukiyaki tayo. Love it! Okay guys, included na to.
잔인해 그대란 사랑 작은 유리병에 나를 넣고 나를 놓아주면 안 되나요?
Waiting for the bus. Korea, that makes sense.
Legend has it, when the Santa Anas blow, all bets are off. Anything
Better. Thank you.
This?
It's beautiful.
Yes, I did. I wrote this.
Sobrang cool! So yung mga locals sa kahiga tapos nanonood ng movie? Ang kulit! There's ang cool outdoor library.
내가 기꺼이 날 가둬둘게
Okay, may pila. Dito na naman po tayo sa bago nating discovery na place dito sa Korea. Ang ganda-ganda. Hindi na ako makapili na favorite ko.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, then fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, yeah. I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Oh, yeah. Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt mist and sea, sand and amber trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves they're turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cool wind sneak back in our town. 'Cause we lived when it was out bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a bright summer beat. God, it's now so very bittersweet, so I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer.
Dami na nagpo-photoshoot dito. Grabe, ang ganda dito. Thank you po. Grabe guys, first time ko sa gilid ng Gyeongbokgung Palace. Ang ganda. Grabe, ang ganda ng Korea. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Namuye po. Wow! Pati yung mga pababang angle, ang ganda. Wala na akong nasabi sa ganda. Tuwing autumn lang talaga to. Aray ko, hindi ba pwede forever yellow yung trees? Ay, super ganda naman. Wala akong masabi. Okay guys, so actually, dapat magbabus kami. Ang nangyari, walang bus kasi parang may mga rally. So, naglakad kami. Siguro from where we are, mga 1.7, di ba? Pero mga 2 kilometers siguro kasi ang haba na nung nilakad namin before that. So, ayun, naglakad kami. It turns out, it's a beautiful walk. Sarap maglakad dito sa Korea, guys. Sobrang sarap. We walked 2 kilometers for this cafe kasi walang bus. Guys, ang ganda dito. This is the coffee shop na nilakad namin for 2 km kaso closed daw siya. Pero may mga tao, so baka close na or full na sila. So anyway, ganda kasi ng view niya guys. So, ito yung view niya, yung mga trees na. Anyway, let's go find something else to do. Ay, parang excited na ako mag-autumn ulit next year. Nandito ka ulit?
Oo.
Meron ulit akong kasama maghanap ng yellow trees. So ngayon, maghanap na daw kami ng ibang cafe. Tama ba yun? Sinaraduhan kami. May nadaanan kami parang market. Ang cool! Social na palengke, ganun. And malinis. Ayan siya. Parang Shinsaibashi district pero Ay, hindi yung, parang yung mga market na gado sa Taiwan, parang ganun pala. Hindi pala Shinsei ba? Ah. Daming food. Yan. Kimchi. So, this is Korean karinderya. Tama ba? Korean version. Oh, guys, oh. Pinipilahan siya. Guys, yung bookstore daw. Ay, bawal photo, besh. Bookstore na pinuntahan ni RM. That daw. Guys, ang ganda rin ng neighborhood na to. Love it. It's a nice neighborhood and it's called Sochon. Hi guys, we are here in Seoul Station and nagpa-picture lang ako kasi wala lang to commemorate na dito na ako nakatira and wala lang dati mahilig kami ni mommy talaga magpa-picture sa mga Tokyo stations, Seoul Station. Isa yun sa mga itinerary namin kapag nasa ibang bansa kami, like yung main station, lumalabas kami para magpa-picture, tapos may nakalagay na Tokyo Station, Kyoto Station, something like that. So parang nasanay na ako sa ganong way of traveling. And so, good morning! Super duper excited because I can bring you to my work today. It's actually my first work assignment and I'm so excited for this because sobrang inspiring nung event. It's actually an event by Korean SMEs and Startups Agency. Parang it's a government-supported na ministry or agency or organization and sinusuportahan nila yung mga young, talented entrepreneurs or yung mga startup companies dito sa Korea. Feeling ko ako si Bae Suzy, guys. Makakakita ko ng mga startup companies. Mga expo or exhibit siya ng mga different startup companies here in South Korea ranging from AI, robotics, app development, beauty, yan, mga pet, lahat na siguro i-expect natin doon. Post na TikTok about it para mas malaman niya yung mga ganap natin. Grabe, sobrang inspiring na South Korean government, even yung mga companies, they support yung mga research and development ng mga products ng mga young entrepreneurs. Grabe, sobrang nakakagulat na may mga ganong klaseng event dito sa Korea na binibigyan nila ng recognition or ng time or pinapakinggan nila yung mga bago or yung mga ideas ng citizens nila. Ganyan yung mga damit ko, guys. Mga ganyan lang yung damit ko. Tapos sabi ko, parang wala akong pang very startup-y, fresh office girl vibe na outfit. Na-realize ko lang wala talaga. So, kahapon, nagpunta ako sa Hongdae, tapos nag-shopping ako. Yung ajushi na nagtitinda doon sa store na yun, habang nag-iikot ako, tinatanong niya ako, ano yung gusto ko, pinapakitaan niya ako. Parang ganun sila dito. Oh, this, you like this? Sabi niya where I'm from. Sabi ko, I'm from the Philippines, but I live here now, and it's actually my first day of work. I have work tomorrow, and I wanna look presentable. It's an event where, you know, the Korean government recognizes the young entrepreneurs of South Korea, talented people, startup companies. It's an actual exhibit, something like that. Sabi ko sa kanya. And sabi niya, this is what I should wear. Inabot niya sa akin tong jacket na to, guys. Blazer pala. And tuwang-tuwa ako. Tada! Tapos nung nasukat ko siya, sabi ko, sobrang perfect na to. Lagi ko to magagamit because it's a classic color and wala pa akong gantong shape, V-neck na mga damit. So, sabi ko, okay, kamsahamnida, binili ko na siya. So, this is going to be my outfit for today. Diba, it's giving startup. Mali ba ako? Parang yung startup pala is very blazer, tapos jeans. Pero anyway, this is me today. I'm getting ready and also, tada! Nagamit ko na ngayon kasi or I fix my hair. Natuyo na lang siya kasi naglaba pa ako. I'm putting this. A lot of you are still DMing me about this. Like spraying it like this. Kasi hindi ko nalalagyan minsan yung baba. Ayan. Tapos minamassage ko lang yung scalp ko, guys. And massage. May pressure talaga ako since government organization na event. Exhibit, I wanna look really presentable. So, ayun guys, this is me. Ang dami palang nagtatanong sa akin. IG and sa TikTok, guys, regarding this, I just personally want to use it every morning right after I take a bath. As the day goes by, in the middle of your day, you can use it. Especially if may uncomfortable feelings sa scalp nyo. Tuwing gabi naman before going to bed, you can use it as well. So, parang there's no rules post regarding this product. Hindi naman siya tuwing umaga lang. So anyway, this is it. Again, you can screenshot or I'll try to link. Hopefully, hindi siya sold out kasi lagi talaga siyang sold out, guys. As in, lagi siyang sold out. I'm so happy. Styled by Lolo ako for today's video. No-overthink ko talaga yung isusuot ko kasi, diba, iba yung ano nila dito. Office attires, Kinemerut. So, ayun. Siguro mga 40 minutes yung biyahe papunta dito, guys. Exit 2 daw tayo. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 저는 헤이즈이에요. 안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. We're here. And K-Unicorn Dream Show. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
He's the new marketing team here.
오,
Yeah.
네, 안녕하세요. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Korean's better.
Meet ko na yung marketing manager. Sabi niya, we are team. Ka-team nila ako, guys. So excited to vlog this event. Actually, ito lang. Hindi lahat ng work natin, guys. Iba-vlog natin kasi nakakahiya talaga. Okay.
Korean.
No, just basic. Wow. Wow, it feels like startup. You don't know?
Yeah, I think. I can't.
여기는 이제 한지, 오치를 기반으로 해서 이렇게 항균이 되는 신발 바닥도 하고 이런 제품들을 좀 만드는 친구도 있고요. 이 친구는 이제 대만에서 유학 갔다 왔다 하고 있어서
네, 농자 전화 지대번호로 저희 버려진
Phoenix Salita, guys, is like the big boss dito. Siya yung reason bakit may ganitong event today. She's supporting young entrepreneurs ng South Korea. Nakakatuwa kasi nag-represent sila, guys, ng mga products nila. And they're looking for investors dito sa Korea pero global. So, guys, baka mag-invest kayo dyan. Charing.
정말 어려운 과정을 극복하는 데 대한 수고했다는 말씀을 드리겠습니다.
Hello everyone. So the event is almost done. Nagpa-pack up na lahat. And I just want to show you kasi very memorable sa akin to because this is my first work assignment ever and na-meet ko yung team leader namin. Tapos minelcome niya ako sa marketing team which I'm so kilig. Okay guys, share ko lang itong event at lumabas lang ako kasi medyo maingay doon. And so this event is actually a celebration or exhibit or presentation ng mga talented young entrepreneurs ng South Korea after joining their youth entrepreneurship academy na hosted or sponsored or supported by Korean SMEs and startup agencies. So nakakatuwa kasi grabe yung support for talented young people sa research nila, sa products nila na dinedevelop. Nakakatuwa kasi nagsalita nga yung chairman of the board nung mismong event na to. Sabi niya na future sila ng South Korea. And I just wanna take you here with me. I can't always take you sa mga events pero ito pwede kasi it's very inspiring. Siguro may mga investors ganyan are supporting and investing and listening to young people and their dreams and their advocacies and their inventions and yung mga research na yung mga young people natin, yung mga nagre-research is nabibigyan talaga ng budget and ng time. Ayun, nakakatuwa lang to have this opportunity to work here and know more the products dito. So anyway, hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog kasi I'm also listening and looking at the products ganyan and work of course. Tapos, ayun, gumawa pala ako ng TikTok so you can check yung mga products na available nila. So, let's support young entrepreneurs. So, ayun lang. Hello everyone. Done with our first day. Sobrang okay kasi even yung mga mentor natin, mga nauna sa company, di ba? Na-meet ko sila ulit kanina. So, ayun. Done na ako with my work. Nakakatuwa tong work na to. I'm so excited. We're heading to Itaewon because I'm gonna be meeting a friend so we can eat. Let's go. Daiso. Makakauwi na tayo guys. Ang labo na yata. Nilalamig na yung camera ko. Sorry. I'm so tired. Okay. Gonna walk. Tinititigan ko tong area na to. Hindi nagsisink in sa akin. Dito na ako nakatira. Guard na tayo. Pero okay lang. Okay. Bumili ako ng ng tawag dito, panluto. Kasi ayoko nga galawin yung mga gamit ni landlord kasi ayoko magbayad in the end. Kasi baka medyo na siya, medyo luma na yung mga gamit. So, paano pag bigla ako nasira? At least bumili na lang ako nung sa akin. Ulit yun. Okay.